Hello, my name is Pawan Kumar, and in this video we are going to learn Argo CD. So as you can see that right now I have opened Argo CD web page, where you can see that what is Argo CD is. Argo CD is declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. As you know that we use as of now we are using Jenkins to deploy to continuously deploy the changes of pod deployment services on Kubernetes cluster. Now I'm going to introduce you a tool which is called Argo CD, which will give you the continuous delivery option where you can update your declarative YML code, and it will apply on to Kubernetes cluster pods. So what old ways in a old fashion, what we were doing is basically we were changing YML code, and we were going there to Kubernetes cluster and applying the changes onto the existing pod, onto the existing objects of Kubernetes cluster, or we were using Jenkins to continuously deliver the changes of YML which we've done onto the Git repository. So in this video, I'm going to show you that easily you can use the Argo CD, and you can just change your code on Git repository, and it will continuously deliver your changes on Kubernetes cluster, pods, and the other objects. So let me tell you that how it works. Basically, you can deploy your Argo CD on a same Kubernetes cluster, or you can deploy it on other nodes. So whether it is other nodes or whether it is on Kubernetes cluster, it will give you a Argo CD server, where you will have the web interface, and how it will interact. It will interact to the API server of Kubernetes master, and then as per the instruction, it will deploy your pod and the objects on the specified nodes, worker nodes, which is running under Kubernetes master. So now I hope you understood that what is Argo CD is doing at here, and how it will work. So let me tell you, in this practical video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to create Argo CD server as a pod on Kubernetes master, and then I'll use the web, I will access the web interface of Argo CD, and then I will deploy the projects. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can install and set up the Argo CD as a pod on master on Kubernetes cluster, and then in the next video I will show you that how you can deploy projects like objects, pod deployment, and others. So let's start. So right now I have a cluster. I have created Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud, and it is accessible right now. So I am going to create my Argo CD server pod at here. So I have some commands, set of commands. If you don't have this command, you can go to this website, Argo CD web page, and you can click on getting started. And here you can see all the steps are mentioned at here, and you can follow these steps, and you can deploy your Argo CD as a pod on Kubernetes cluster. So I'm going to follow this. I'm going to create a namespace at here. So which will name as Argo CD. Okay, this is done. And then now I'm going to install Argo CD package, declarative package. Okay, so now you can see that we have created Argo CD, and if you want to check kubectl get all namespace Argo CD. So you can see that right now I have all related port of Argo I have deployed, and it's still in a process of deployment. So I will keep kubectl get all and then I'll see that once this will create it, the status will be running. So right now I'm stopping this video. I'll come back once this is done. Okay, we are back now. So I just ran kubectl get all Argo CD, namespace Argo CD, and we can see the status of Argo application, database, and repository and repo server are in status, are in running state. So we are good now. So now we can access the Argo server on web as a web interface. So for that, what you need to do is basically to edit. First of all, you need to allow, you need to give admin permission or any other permission that you want to provide to Argo CD, so that Argo CD can use that permission and deploy your project on Kubernetes cluster. So the next step is to provide permission of Argo CD. And now this is created. And the next thing is that I need to access web server, Argo CD server as a web service. So I need to enable, basically, you can see that here it is cluster IP, and we need to change it to the load balancer so that we can access Argo CD server from the web page. But right now I'm using a Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud, so I'm using this process. But if you are doing the same thing on your physical Kubernetes cluster, so what you need to do is basically you need to create an ingress YAML declarative, and then you can access your Argo CD as a web page. So I have changed service Argo CD service service type into load balancer from the cluster IP. So now I can check the status again. So once I will check the status of this, we can see that the external IP is in a pending state, and the type of Argo CD server has changed to load balancer. So this is acquiring the IP address. So you can check from here, or you can go to this web page and you can click on service and ingress, and you can see that okay, so this is Argo CD server, and you can now I'm just going to verify it. There are two instances are running at here because I have already deployed Argo CD server in my other cluster. There is other cluster, this higher lab, but this cluster is not running, so that pod will not be accessible. So the new cluster things I have to access. So I'm just going to find which one is my latest one. So I can see that this is the old one. So you don't have to be confused. When you are doing a fresh cluster deployment, you will not see two Argo CD server at here. But I'm just giving you the introduction that how you can find it. You can see in Argo CD service there is 0 pod running. So pod count is 0. But in other one there is a count of 1. So this is the original one that I have created in my current cluster. So I will click, and you can also see that the cluster name at here, it's in cluster demo, and I have two cluster demo and higher lab. So this service belongs to higher lab, and this service belongs to cluster demo. So right now we are working in cluster demo, so I'm going to click on this. Click. Okay, so it is now we are capable of accessing Argo CD from the web page. Now the default username will be admin1, and then the password will be the default password you can get from this command by using this command. So I'm going to copy and paste this command at here, and you can see that it has given me the password at here. Okay, so I have the password right now. So I'm going to paste it and sign in. So right now we are able to access Argo CD as a web page, and we are able to log in into it. But how many times we are going to use this command and copy the password and paste onto it? So for that you need to change your password, default password to your own password. So what you need to do is basically the next command is to log in onto RCD server pod. So I'm going to use this command and paste it at here. So what I need to do is basically replace the pod actual pod name. I need to copy from here. So this is my actual pod. Copy it and paste it. So you can access Cube's Argo CD server pod. So now we have Argo CD server pod at here. So next step is to log in onto it. You need to copy Argo CD login and paste it, and the IP address that you got for the Argo CD server. So you need to paste it at here and then log in. So it is asking for the certification, then I click yes, and then what I need to do is basically you put the username and password. The default username is admin and the password that I have copied. Okay, so I have copied the password from where I have listed the password. Okay, I just need to come back. I need to get that password again. Okay, I have copied the password and then I am going back to Argo CD pod and then Argo CD login and the IP address, yes, admin, and the password that I have copied. So currently I am logged into Argo CD server. So what I need to do is basically change the password of admin. So I copied and then paste. So Argo CD account update password. Currently I am logged in with the admin user, so it is going to change the password of admin user, and the old password it is asking from me, and the new password I'm going to put. Okay, so password is updated, sign out and then login again. The password user is admin and the password that I have secretly put at here, and now you can see that I can log in into it. So right now you have Argo CD server with you, and you are able to do anything with Argo CD server. So now that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to show you that how you can deploy your project with the help of Argo CD tool. Meanwhile, take care and bye bye.